BigCommerce and Salesforce Commerce Cloud are two of the leading e-commerce platforms in the market. Salesforce Commerce Cloud offers more advanced features. BigCommerce is generally considered to be easier than Salesforce Commerce Cloud. Both BigCommerce and Salesforce Commerce Cloud offers a high degree of customization. So which platform is it right for you? Hello everyone, welcome to Tech at Cloud Analogy YouTube channel. BigCommerce and Salesforce Commerce Cloud are two of the leading e-commerce platforms in the market. Both platforms offer a wide range of features and functionality. In this video, we'll be comparing BigCommerce and Salesforce Commerce Cloud on the following factors: features and functionality, ease of use, customization, pricing, and scalability. So, without any further ado, let's begin. Number 1, which is features and functionality. Both BigCommerce and Salesforce Commerce Cloud offers a wide range of features and functionality, including product management, order management, customer management, payment processing, shipping, and marketing, and SEO tools as well. However, there are some key differences between the two platforms. For example, Salesforce Commerce Cloud offers more advanced features such as personalization, order orchestration, product recommendations, and B2B e-commerce capabilities. Number 2, ease of use. BigCommerce is generally considered to be easier than Salesforce Commerce Cloud. It has a more user-friendly interface and less complex configuration options. Salesforce Commerce Cloud is more complex to use, but it offers more flexibility and customization options. It's also a good choice for businesses that needs to integrate their e-commerce platform and other Salesforce products such as Salesforce Cloud and Service Cloud. Number 3, which is customization. Both BigCommerce and Salesforce Commerce Cloud offers a high degree of customization. However, Salesforce Commerce Cloud offers more flexibility and controls over customization. BigCommerce has a large app store with thousands of third-party apps and integrations. This makes it easy to add new features and functionality to your store without having to code. Salesforce Commerce Cloud requires more technical expertise to customize. However, it offers more control over the look and feel of your store and the features you want to include. Number 4, pricing. BigCommerce has a more transparent pricing structure than Salesforce Commerce Cloud. BigCommerce offers 3 pricing plans starting at $29.95 per month. Salesforce Commerce Cloud pricing is based on number of factors, including the size of your business, the number of your products you sell, and the features you need. Number 5, scalability. Both BigCommerce and Salesforce Commerce Cloud are highly scalable platforms. They can handle businesses of any sizes, from small businesses to large enterprises. However, Salesforce Commerce Cloud is more scalable than BigCommerce. It's a good choice for businesses that expect to experience rapid growth. So, which platform is it right for you? The best e-commerce platform for you will depend on your specific needs and requirements. If you're looking for an easy-to-use platform with a wide range of features, BigCommerce is a good choice. If you need a more advanced platform with more flexibility and customization options, Salesforce Commerce Cloud would be a good choice. So to conclude, we can say that BigCommerce and Salesforce Commerce Cloud are both excellent e-commerce platforms. The best platform for you will depend on your specific needs and requirements. But either side you're on, Cloud Analogy is here to help you out in every possible way. Cloud Analogy is a leading cloud computing and IT solution providing company which specializes in BigCommerce, Salesforce Commerce Cloud, implementation, integration, customization, consultation, development, and much more. Feel free to reach out to us to fulfill your business needs. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Also, do subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more videos alike. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.